guys, today tunashika octopus. This will be our lunch for today. Look at that. We're coming for lunch. Guys, PWEZA! I love my octopus fresh from the ocean. It's now 9 a.m. at Pirates Beach, Mombasa, and I'm eagerly awaiting for the fisherman to come with the octopus. Funguni fish shop, Bamburi. So the first thing they do is put it on the weighing scale. They sell it per kg and not actually per octopus. So when you go to buy one, you have to buy either 1 kg, 2 kgs. 1 kg is normally 2 octopuses, but it depends on their size. We got 2 big octopuses at 1 kg. Wino. Sasa hiyo ndo damu yake ama?
Hiyo sasa ukienda kushika unamwaga kwa maji. Sasa ukimwaga kwa maji, maji inageuka black.
Ndo ushinde kuifuata. Hiyo ndo defense mechanism yake. So unaenda kuipiga. After that, the next process is beating it up. Kuichapa ndo ilainike.
Maji ni natoa maji mingi tayari kwa mafuta.
Sawa, leo PWEZA ndo mambo yao. Ina mikupa. Ndio tunaenda kupika hapa kwa first time. Tunaenda kupika. Cheka chumvi. Funguni fish shop, Bamburi.
Kwa hivyo ile
katakata tu kuweka kwa sufuria. Nachemsha na supu. Ndio na karanga sasa. Mosa mmetujenga. Guys, we are just from the fish shop. Carrying a piece of octopus. And this is what we are going to have for lunch. So this is our PWEZA. What I'm going to do next is to chop it into pieces. So it's now time to boil the octopus. So nitaziweka ziboil for like 20 minutes. So I'll just add some little salt as it boils. So I'll drain some of the soup. That's what we have. So I just add some vitunguu and some ginger. Then some leafy oil. And then finally, some tomatoes. So you keep stirring the tomatoes for like 5 minutes so that they can seep into the meat. So my other spice is moringa, just a pinch, add it to the soup. Stir. And then you can add it. There we go, PWEZA, kunde mrenda, ugali, and some guava juice. I invited my friends, but they were busy. That means more food for me.